Okay, hello everybody. This is Mike here again. So I want to do a quick kind of unboxing video of a new IoT platform that I just got. It was a Kickstarter. So I kind of want to show it off. Not quite an unboxing because I've already taken it out of the box. So I was so interested in seeing what it was. So let me show you. So it's the Quantum. This is basically the starter bundle that comes with basically a router, IoT hub, and then uh, basically two nodes for your projects. They call them builders base, two builders base, and basically a hub. Some suggestions for ideas what to do with it. So this is packaging. Packaging is pretty nice. So here's the brochure. Basically, it's the IoT for IoT work. That's the basically the router, server, hub, then the builder's base, which is basically like a node. Sort of like think of the nodes kind of like more similar to like maybe like an Arduino kind of hub for sensors and stuff. I haven't quite got into all of it, but they do have an app builder, uh, interface builder, development of our dashboard. So it's kind of a way to quickly prototype and develop an IoT platform for a device, kind of and then network all the devices together in your home or your business or so on. Kind of interesting idea. That's why I backed it. So the central hub, quick start manual. The different plugins for different countries for the power supply. Then basically you go in and hook up to the router, hub, server. This is called a server. So here's one of the nodes. So you can see it's got GPIO ports, ground signals, signal wire. Hope you can see it. Voltage 5 and 3.3 ground. So similar to set up for like maybe a Raspberry Pi more than Arduino, but similar kind of setup. Micro USB for the power. This is builder space. And then basically you just connect the wires and screw them in. So you kind of prototype it. So with the starter bundle, you get two of the nodes, builder spaces. I'm not sure how many the server can hold, how many can be connected to, but it's a wireless connection. I'll have to read on that. Micro USB. So here's basically your server router, so you can then connect everything in your house or your workplace or your office or your lab. Connect all the builders nodes together and then connect them to the internet, and then you can create a user interface dashboard. Connects all your projects, or you can monitor your projects over the Wi-Fi, internet, intranet. Sorry, probably more of an intranet than an internet. I think it's a very interesting, cool idea. Oh, Power Brick. I'm going to kind of work on maybe some basic IoT projects, connect stuff together, and see how it all works. So let me share my screen real fast. So here's their website. You can check it out. Start a bundle, which I got. The server, central core, whatever you want to call it, builder's base. They actually have a starter kit that's got sensors you connect up real quickly, power supplies, so on, joysticks, kind of remote control car. So one of my thinking is that I can set up a remote control of a robot over the internet using the server. I'm gonna play around with that. That's I think my first project. It's allowing people access to a robot in my lab through a dashboard, or at least they can see the camera stuff, but slowly build it up through remote control. So this may be just kind of a cool way to allow people to manipulate a robot over the internet. I'll just see here. Hopefully it's not too difficult. Doesn't look like it would be. So this is what I have. Start a bundle. Yeah, so you get this add-on. Looks like this website's got a lot of really good documentation. I just got to work through all of it. With Thanksgiving, Christmas coming up, I'll probably have a lot of free time which to work on creating a server, setting up the hardware. Documentation looks pretty good, pretty straightforward. This is tutorials and so on. Usually that's the like most people have use it for documentation. So it's basically hook connected through it. Cool. Like I said, I just wanted to do a quick, really quick unboxing video. Like I said, the documentation looks pretty good. Cool. They got a Holo World project, Powerlight project, joystick project, the Canon car project, which is probably where I'm going to start. Security system project, so on. Looks pretty. Looks like it probably should do what I'm hoping to have it do. So here's that car. So this is kind of my idea. See how well it works. Even got a cool video. So that's about it for now. Like I said, I'll follow up with other videos about the Quantum, this DIY IoT development platform, prototyping platform. Like I said, I think it's a pretty cool idea. pretty interesting, cool idea. Hopefully it won't be too hard to develop. It looks like there's a lot of really cool information, documentation to work through. So cool. So thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, ideas, suggestions, want to know more about the quantum, I'll leave a link in the description of the video to the website, so you can check it out for yourself, decide whether you want to buy it or not, and then you can follow my project in the future. Okay, cool. Thanks again. Hope you see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye for now.